Okay, so you probably have seen it at the end of every single one of my videos, pretty much ever, and it says, you have one life, don't waste it, design it. And that is the truest thing ever. You've got one life to live, and it is up to you on whether or not you're going to waste it or turn it into the best life you could possibly imagine. And the way you do that is by designing your life. So I am the biggest proponent for lifestyle design. I talk about it all the time. And the whole idea is that we have been trained our entire lives to design our career, but we have been given no tools or resources to actually design our life, to figure out what kind of person we want to be, what kind of impact we want to have in the world, and what kind of life we want to live. And it is my goal in life to change that for as many people as possible. I want people to figure out who they want to be and how they're going to change the world, or if they're not going to change the world, what simple little things they are going to do to live the best life possible. I want to create as many success ripples as possible. I think Oprah or Sunny may have said that, and it's one of my favorite quotes ever. Creating success ripples. And my goal is to create a success ripple in you, making you as happy as you can possibly be by teaching you how to design your life and how to find the freedom, income, and impact you've always wanted. So you have one life to live. Don't waste it. Design it. I love you. I'm here for you. Comment below. Let me know how I can help you design your life. Let me know what you're struggling with, and just say hi. I want to hear from you. So, love you. I'll see you later. Bye.